Hey guys, it's Eva Rankin and I'm going to show you how to create this sleek back bun featuring all L'Oreal Paris products. Sleek back buns have a bad rep for being hard to do, and I really want to change that for you guys and show you such an easy hack that makes doing a sleek bun so simple and it looks amazing. So I'm really excited to show you guys, and we're only going to be using 2 products, which is so simple. So I'm going to show you the 2 products you will need for this. The first product we're going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Slick Back Cream. This is the flexible hold cream. Also has up to 24 hours of anti-frizz, which we love. The second product we're going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris Elnett Unscented Hairspray in Extra Strong Hold. You will also need a hairbrush and some hair ties. I am now sectioning my hair into 2 separate sections, taking the first layer as the top section and the bottom layer as the second. So once your hair is sectioned, we're going to take the Slick Back Cream. Then take the styling cream and just start massaging this into your hair whilst putting the hair into a ponytail in your hands. So you're sort of creating that shape, and focus mainly on your baby hair and scalp area. Then I'm just taking my hairbrush and brushing back all the hair into a ponytail. This way you're going to make sure you get that extra sleek finish. And then I'm going to take my hair tie and tie the ponytail into place. Once the ponytail is nicely in place, I am now taking down the top layer. I feel like the hardest part about a sleek back bun is it's literally an arm workout, but it's worth it. Anyway, I'm now going in with the styling cream again. This cream is now being applied to section 2, and we're just going to apply it like this, as if you're just sleeking everything back in that motion backwards away from your face. I really like to focus on these areas around my face where I have little flyaways and baby hairs. Now, depending on your preference, you can either start to brush your hair back like this, or you can add a parting down the middle. I love to wear my sleek buns with a parting, so I'm going to add a part. Once the parting has been added, I'm going to start brushing back my hair into the ponytail that I created previously. By using the Slick Back Cream, the hair just starts to mold and form into place so well. The cream is super flexible, so you can really work with it and try all different positions with your hair to really get it into that perfect slick position. Once you feel happy with the position of your hair, you can then begin to tie the rest of this hair to the ponytail that we created previously. And that should leave you with one ponytail. I really love that you can use this Slick Back Cream on either damp or dry hair, because often when I do a sleek bun, I am doing it on dry hair. So I like to also add this into my ponytail, just to make sure the actual bun feels super sleek too. So I'm just running this through my ponytail also. I'm then twisting my ponytail and then wrapping it round into a bun, which is so nice and easy with the Slick Back Cream in it. Once you're happy with the shape and position of your bun, you can go ahead and tie this into place with your hair tie. Once the bun is tied in place, we can go in with the unscented hairspray, and this is the Extra Strong Hold one. I like to spray that all over and then just use my hands to gently push down any little flyaways that we may have missed. I really love to use that hairspray as there's no crunch at all, so your bun still looks really smooth and sleek without that crunchy, hard feeling. And here you have the final complete sleek bun. I hope you guys loved this tutorial. I hope this is helpful to anyone who is wondering how to do a really easy and simple sleek back bun. It's one of my go-to hairstyles, so I hope you guys love it. All the products that I used in today's video will be linked in the description below, and go check them out on l'orealparisusa.com. Thank you so much for watching.